How to log in or sign in to your ShowMax account online. Simply follow these steps to log into your ShowMax account on any device. Firstly, use any web browser such as Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Then, in the search address bar, type down ShowMax, and there you will get to see ShowMax option available at the top. Tap on it and go to the official ShowMax website www.showmax.com. Now here you can see sign in option available at the top right corner. You can also see that ShowMax is not available in my location. So if this also shows on yours, then you can use VPN to enable it. But if it does not, then it's fine. Now simply tap on the sign in or login option available in the top right corner, and you'll be navigated to enter your login details. Now here, firstly enter your registered ShowMax email address and then enter the password associated with your account. And after entering your credentials, click on the sign in button to access your account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.